guys, it's me, Pam from the Stage Family Adventures, and we arrived in Talahasee, Florida right now, guys. So we're going inside. Kingston, come here. Going inside, guys. So please bear with me. Come here. So I'll give you a tour, guys. Here's the entrance, washer and dryer. Here's the stuff, guys. Kingston, come here. Shh. Here's the living room. So just so you know, guys, this is our Airbnb. Here's the dining table. Wow, and we have a deck over there. Wow, I like that. There's a deck.
3 decks.
Kitchen, guys. And then there's a pantry over here. Pantry. I'll show you outside, guys. Here's mini library.
So in the bathroom.
That's daddy. That's bathroom. Bedroom 1. Another bathroom, guys. Bedroom again. Must be the master's bedroom, guys. There's a bedroom. Okay, that's it, guys. I'll show you for the outside. Kingston is so happy. Come on, Kingston. Going outside, guys. Here's the wow deck. I love the house like this, guys. This is a sunroom, guys. See? And then there's the deck over there. Look at that. I love the view. So if you have a boat or a yacht, you can put it there. So I'll show you over there, guys. So bear with me. Please bear with me. Outside, guys. This is our landlady's house.
Hey, get your son.
And here, this is the wow, there's a hammock. I like that. There's a hammock, Mikey. My stepson, guys. Come on, sit there. What? So this is the backyard, guys. That's so nice. Come on.
Oh no.
Come on. So this is our view. Here in the hammock. You like it?
Yes.
Oh, you said yes, guys. We're in the hammock, guys. See that? So overall, it's been a long day, and we had a long trip, but it's all worth it, guys. So that's it for today, and remember, have faith. Mango. No, it's a fruit. It's not edible. Okay, guys. Sorry for that. Okay, that's it for today, guys, and remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always. God bless everyone. Bye.